Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be looking at 5 cinematic drone shots that you can get with the DJI Mini 2. Now some of these shots you can get with any drone, but some of them are really well suited to the Mini 2's small size and weight. First up we've got the top down or bird's eye view shot. This is a great shot if you have a moving subject. You can simply put your drone in the air, keep it static as your subject moves across the screen, or you can track your subject at a steady pace with your drone. Next up we've got the big reveal. This shot starts off as a top down and then you slowly move up that camera to reveal the scene. This is a great establishing shot and you'll notice this one is used a lot in movies and documentaries when the action moves to a new location. Next up we've got the 360 or spiral shot. This is where you move around your subject in a circular motion. The Mini 2 does have a quick shot where you can do this automatically, but I always recommend drone pilots to try this one manually to give you more control over it. This shot is a great way of conveying a sense of loneliness or isolation when moving around a subject and revealing a big empty space. Next up we're going to talk about flying your drone across water. Now water is associated with emotion, so a drone shot above water can give impact or meaning to a scene. Flying above water also gives you a good opportunity to use reflections creatively. And using a small drone like the Mini 2, you can achieve shots above water which previously would never have been achievable. Flying at low altitude over water in the past would have meant mounting a cinema camera to a gimbal on a boat, and it would have caused a lot of water displacement. The other option would have been to fly a helicopter, which would have caused even more disturbance and would have meant shooting from an even higher altitude. And finally we've got the classic cinematic crane or jib shot. This one's normally achieved by mounting a cinema camera to a crane, but with a drone you just take off from a low altitude and steadily ascend. At the top of the ascent, don't just let go of the joystick, bring it to a nice steady stop. And that's it guys. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.